Pakailah tudung cepat. I am with my Acu and eat some ramen. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's yummy. Kau boleh? Mix. This is my Acu. He is not wearing. Don't wear tudung, so I'm giving 1 minute to wear the tudung. Go wear your tudung. Okay. This most epic thing, so. Oh, come on, there's seaweed. Oh no, seaweed. I have some spoon and eat it. And this is challenge. First up, please comment down below and subscribe and like and go to Snapchat. And go to Twitter and Snapchat all the day. It's time for mixing content. So this is my Acu is thing. Pakai tudung lah. It don't want to. I don't want to. Pakai tudung. Acu nak kena buat yang itu. You go now. YouTube say go and eat ramen and go wear your tudung. You go now.
I don't want.
Yummy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's look yummy. I have the fat. Really fat. Okay, time to eat.
Okay, eat.
Time to eat. Ow. Stop. Go wear your tudung. Go. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. 3. Okay. Oh my god, this is looking bad. Okay, I don't like ramen like this. Okay, trying to try it. Okay. They leave when they're hungry when they eat this ramen.
Ngagut kau. Oh, tak apa aku cakap apa lagi.
It's hot, spicy. I can do this challenge.
I can't.
I am tearing off just of ramen.
I'm tearing down.
Come on. Asam.
Selalu dia makan ni habis ke? Tak dah buat satu pun tak habis.
That's so spicy. I don't want to eat. But you guys request me to eat it.
No, no one forced you to eat.
Yes.
You want to eat by yourself?
Please comment what you want to do. Make fluffy slime. Buy at the Chenko. Buy something. Make a video. I'll make something next time. Shut up, you.
No.
Okay?
Okay, eat one more time.
No, I want to water.
The challenge is to cut
Okay. Gonna do this.
I can't do this.
Do this.
Kita perhati je apa yang dia lakukan.
I still had noodles. Wait, I want to get that.
Why? Anis. Dah lah ni, stop kan lah.
No. Nak.
Cepat. Asyik nak makan lah. Oh, orang minum air sejuk nanti lagilah.
Okay.
Entah ni. Dan sebolehnya jangan bercakap waktu makan ni.
So, I can do this.
Alah. Ada minyak. Dah.
Okay, fine. Have it. Okay, I want to do something. Dust here.
Ni baru makan 3 helai.
So, I don't feel so hot on the daily. I'm just don't try this. Don't try this, guys. It's so spicy. Okay, gonna make bread now. Take some bread. Get up here. Take some bread. Get it now. Okay. Put it in. Well. Okay, this is most yummiest thing. I never ate this thing. So, bread, milk, the bread. Okay, guys. So now, put Okay, a little bit. Okay. Don't do it this guy. So spicy. Okay, when you feel like those are so good spicy, please make this toast. Okay. Bye.